Hi, I'm Ellen Lopez. I'm the owner, nurse practitioner, and medical director of Mariposa Health and Beauty Spa. And today we're actually filming in our very own home gym with my husband, who's also the co-owner of Mariposa Health and Beauty Spa. This is Richard. Both of us are personal trainers, but of course we have what I say is real day jobs. And so he's a computer engineer. And as I said, I'm the medical director and nurse practitioner at Mariposa. Today we're gonna focus on weight loss peptides, peptides in general, and optimal health. So in our program, we walk with you on this journey. We know that weight loss is one of the hardest things you will do in your life. And so we make sure that we're with you every step of the way, myself and my staff. We start first by giving you a lab order so that you can go get some blood work done. And we decide once we receive the results, we meet with you, we have a consultation, and we decide if you're a candidate for the peptide, whether it be for weight loss or optimal health. What's the difference? Some people need it for weight loss and some people just want it for all of the other benefits like brain health, prevention of dementia, Alzheimer's, maybe even cardiovascular disease. So there's so many benefits with these peptides such as semaglutide, tirzepatide, or triple G, which is retatrutide. Now, in our program, once we have the labs, once we've had our consultation and decided if you're a great candidate, you can start the program that day. We start with an injection. It's a weekly injection that's done by my staff. I then meet with you each month. Each month, we actually will go over measurements, a body scan. So a body scan is super crucial because it's not just about your weight or your BMI, which is your height and weight together, but also your body fat and your muscle mass. As you can see, we walk the walk. We know that muscle is super important for longevity and optimal health. So this is exactly what we're gonna do with you. I provide you with nutrition guidance, with exercise guidance if you're ready for that, as well as show you your progress, whether it be loss of inches, loss of weight, decreased body fat, or all of the above. We've been doing this, we've served hundreds of patients with great success. Some even over 100 pounds have been lost. So we would love to walk with you to help you on this journey. And always remember, it's best to be with a medical provider because these are prescription medications. You want to be safe and make sure you're taking great care of your body. So if you're interested and you're ready to actually take the next step in your health, whether it's for weight loss, 100 pounds, 200 pounds, or 5 pounds, call us, text us at 505-699-9466. I look forward to walking with you on this journey.